Hello friends, welcome to our channel Food and Happiness. Today let's prepare delicious and easy Bhindi Sabji. You can pack this lady's finger masala in lunch box, and this quick Bhindi masala is very healthy and tastes amazing. So let's start cooking now. First, let's wash the lady's finger and allow it to dry. Then let's chop them into small pieces. Now take a kadai and heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of carom seeds and salt till they sputter. Add 2 big onions sliced lengthwise. Cook till onion turns transparent. Add salt so that the onion cooks faster. When onion changes its color, add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Cover and cook. Now the onions are soft, so let's add 3 big chopped tomatoes. Cook till the tomatoes turn mushy. Cover the pan so that the tomatoes cook faster. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala. Saute the masalas. Cover and cook till the oil is separated. Now it's time to add lady's finger. Mix it well with the masalas. Add little water to cook the vegetables so that all the masala is coated well. As you can see, this recipe is very easy and quick. Do try this recipe and let us know your comments. Cover and cook till the bhindi is completely cooked. This won't take more than 10 minutes. Adjust the salt if necessary and cook it on low to medium heat. Please share this recipe with your family and friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now the Bhindi Sabji or lady's finger masala is ready to serve. Serve it with hot chapatis or as a side dish with rice. Pack this in your kids' lunch box. Hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.